Daycares were given the go-ahead by the governor to reopen June 15th. With all the safety guidelines in place, it's a new normal. But Zentai Martial Arts is getting used to it. They were one of only 2 care centers in the town to get authorization to remain open for the kids of essential employees. They reopened their doors at the end of April, and they've had to make a ton of adjustments.
So we take a temperature check. As before the student actually comes in, the parents drop them off outside. We take a temperature check. Once they're admitted into the building, they right away use hand sanitizer, and we send them to the restroom to wash their hands.
The same, by the way, goes for the employees. Zentai is also working at 50% capacity. Everything from check-in to filling out paperwork can be done through their app in an effort to keep everything touchless. The space gets a deep cleaning every 90 days, daily sanitization, and a UV lighting system installed in the air ducts filters the air and kills all airborne viruses. The kids are separated into groups of 10 and will stay in the same groups every day to limit exposure.
So we developed these masks that they're kind of easy to just kind of take and pull up and down, and they don't lose them. So if they're going to be a little bit closer, like we're going to make a line to go outside or something, then we tell them, make sure you put on your mask. If they're all sitting far away from each other, then they can go ahead and pull down their masks.
There are stickers on the floor to remind kids to socially distance, but socially distancing has created a new challenge.
How do you develop games and activities that encourages them to be social and play, but also keep distance?
But necessity is the mother of invention, after all.
We have a bouncy house, but we can't have more than one child inside a bouncy house at a time, naturally. So what we have is one kid go in the bouncy house, and then the other kids stand far back and are throwing balls inside the bouncy house, and the kid inside is trying to throw it out. So he's having fun jumping around, bouncing, throwing it out. So they're still engaging, but they're all separated from each other.
In North Arlington, Emily Young, New Jersey News Network.